Hey there, I'm Alex. Today we're diving into the world of ChatGPT, an advanced large language model, LLM. If you're just starting out using AI, you're in the right place. Here, you'll explore what an LLM is and how ChatGPT works. I'll even throw in some practical exercises to introduce you to the basics of prompt engineering, the most important term in the AI world. Ready? Let's get started. What is a large language model? Picture a giant library filled with every book, article, and web page ever written. Now, imagine a super smart librarian who has read everything in that library and can understand and generate human-like text based on all that knowledge. That's essentially what an LLM is. These models are called large because they're trained on massive amounts of text data. They learn patterns, relationships, and structures in language, allowing them to generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses to prompts or questions. In turn, ChatGPT is like the above-mentioned super smart librarian, but with a special focus on engaging in conversations. So, ChatGPT is an LLM developed by OpenAI that is designed to understand and generate human-like text in a chat format. But how does ChatGPT actually work? It's a bit like a game of word prediction. When you give ChatGPT a prompt or ask it a question, it looks at the words you've used and predicts the most likely next word based on its training. It does this over and over, building up a response word by word. For example, if you start a sentence with, "The cat sat on the," ChatGPT might predict "mat" as the next word because it's seen that pattern many times in its training data. But it's not just about individual words. ChatGPT understands context and can generate complex, meaningful responses. This is how ChatGPT uses patterns from the data it was trained on and generates responses. Cool, right? How do you think ChatGPT responded when you asked for a sandwich recipe? It combined its understanding of sandwiches, cooking techniques, and common preferences. It repeats a recipe it has seen before. It generates a random recipe. It copies a recipe from a cookbook. Moreover, ChatGPT remembers what you're talking about and can adjust its future responses accordingly. As you can see, ChatGPT has the ability to maintain context throughout a conversation. Yet, without guidance, its answers are not 100 what you need most of the time. This is where the importance of prompt engineering arises. While LLMs are sophisticated pattern recognition systems trained on vast amounts of text data, prompt engineering is the art of effectively communicating with these language models. In these terms, prompt engineering is all about crafting the right input to get the desired output from an LLM like ChatGPT. So if you prompt your commands effectively, you can use ChatGPT to achieve your goals successfully, and making a sandwich is just a simple example of how LLMs can be helpful. In fact, there are various applications, from customer service to content creation, where prompt engineering skills can be utilized to optimize your time and profit with AI. In this sense, as a beginner prompt engineer, your main focus should be on how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT to get the best results. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. The world of LLMs and prompt engineering is full of exciting possibilities, and you're just getting started. I can't wait to see what you'll create. Understanding ChatGPT models. Hi again. In this lesson, you will dive into different ChatGPT models available and how to choose the best one depending on your task. You will go through the current range of models, compare their capabilities, and understand when each one is most effective. Let's start. Introduction to models. ChatGPT runs on a set of different models developed by OpenAI. These models vary in power, speed, and cost. Understanding which one you're interacting with helps you set realistic expectations and choose the best model for your needs. As of now, OpenAI provides access to several models under the GPT architecture. The most common ones include GPT-4, GPT-4.5, GPT-4o, and models from the O series such as O1, O3 Mini, and O3 Mini High. GPT-4 is a strong general-purpose model, known for its accuracy, reasoning, and longer context window. However, for now, GPT-4 is rather seen as a legacy model, capabilities of which are more limited than those of newer ones. This model still performs well in most tasks, but may be slower compared to lighter models. It is suitable for writing essays, articles, or marketing texts, explaining complex topics, working with structured tasks like planning or decision trees. The next model is GPT-4o. Unlike GPT-4, this is the latest and most advanced model from OpenAI. In its name, O stands for Omni, implying that this model is much faster than GPT-4, and it can match or exceed its performance on many tasks. So you can use GPT-4o when you need real-time or faster responses, high-quality reasoning, multimodal support, e.g. working with images or files. To perform these tasks, the model can work in conjunction with such features as search and deep research. In short, the search tool allows ChatGPT to access the internet in real time. Hence, it's useful for finding current information, verifying facts, or pulling in recent articles and data. Use it when your question requires the latest updates or live information. In turn, the deep research feature helps ChatGPT dig deeper into a topic by reading and analyzing multiple sources. It provides structured, reliable summaries and explanations for more complex queries. It's ideal for studying topics in depth, writing big research projects, or comparing viewpoints. Both of these tools are available with almost every GPT model, so they can be of great help in any kind of tasks that you're taking. GPT 4.5. Next up, we have GPT 4.5. OpenAI's latest AI advancement. This model offers enhanced conversational abilities and a broader knowledge base, resulting in more natural interaction and higher answer accuracy. So, GPT 4.5 performs the following tasks even better than previous models. Programming assistance. Developers can leverage GPT 4.5 for code generation, debugging, and offering solutions to complex programming challenges. Language translation and communication. With its multilingual support, GPT 4.5 serves as a valuable tool for accurate translations and cross-lingual communications. Educational support. The model can aid in tutoring, providing explanations, and answering questions across a wide range of subjects. In summary, GPT 4.5 stands as a versatile AI model, offering significant improvements in conversational ability and accuracy. Unlike previously discussed models, O1 is a lightweight model optimized for speed. It handles basic tasks quickly but does not match GPT-4 in reasoning or complexity. It's suitable for simple queries and casual conversations. Thus, O1 is best for doing various tasks that do not require AI's advanced capabilities. For example, quick summaries, basic Q&A. Simple explanations or translations. There are two types of O3 models, O3 Mini and O3 Mini High. The former is a compact model that is, despite being fast, still designed to excel in advanced reasoning tasks like content creation, writing, and advanced research. Hence, O3 Mini offers a compelling combination of speed, efficiency, and flexibility for both production and development use cases. In turn, O3 Mini High is a model with exceptional STEP capabilities. It offers particular strength in science, math, and coding tasks, all while maintaining the quality of answers with an increased speed compared to other models. Matching models to tasks. Good. Now let's test your knowledge by matching the models with the tasks they best excel at. Which tasks would be most appropriate for GPT 4.5? Complex programming assistance, accurate multilingual translation, educational tutoring across multiple subjects, simple yes/no answers to basic questions. Which models would be best for real-time or near real-time applications? GPT-4o, O1, GPT-4, O3 Mini High. Good job. Now that you understand the differences between the available models, you're better equipped to choose the right one for each task. As new models are released, the best choice may shift, so stay updated and keep testing.